Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Chevrolet Colorado work truck. This four-door truck has a four-cylinder, 2.5-liter i4 engine with rear-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 59,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, power windows, air filtration, front air conditioning, power steering, digital odometer, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.